Hello my friends, how's everybody out there doing in the YouTube world? So Sturgis, roll that intro. So today, this morning, I am going to talk about Sturgis. Now, Sturgis will be coming up. The motorcycle rally will be coming up in the next couple weeks here. And I want to talk about it. Now, years ago, I always wanted to go out to Sturgis during a rally. I think it'd be cool as shit to go out there. Now, but I never made it for whatever reason. I probably, back then, years ago, I didn't have a bike that would probably make it out there. So, you know, I didn't go. So, thinking about it now, I have a bike that could probably go across country. Yeah, I lost the urge to go to the Sturgis Rally. I don't want to go. I would, don't get me wrong, I want to go to Sturgis off rally. I want to see all the roads and all the attractions and all the sights and just ride out there and just enjoy myself, without having to worry about the thousands and thousands of extra people that are out there clogging up the roadways, making prices of everything get jacked the fuck up. I mean, that's insane. The money you pay to go out there during a rally, you know. So I would like to go out there probably in like June area of the calendar. I think June would be good, just to get out there off rally, save money, because I'm a cheap motherfucker. In case you didn't know that, I'm a cheap motherfucker. But yeah, just to get out there and be able to ride the roads out there and ride the sights and see everything that I want to see out in our great country that we have. But even though I have a bike that would make it going across country, I don't want to ride across country. Call me whatever you want to call me. Call me every name in the book. I don't care. I have no desire to ride across the country. I would love to have a RV or a camper, toy haul or something, and trek across the country over a course of, you know, 3 or 4 weeks, stopping places for a couple days here and there, seeing the sights across the country. And I think that would be the best way for me to travel. You know, there are guys that take that trek on their bikes, and hey, more power to you, bros. Yeah, I really have no desire to do that. It's, hey, call it what you want. But yeah, I'd much rather take my time, go across country, and do it in a camper or an RV. I think that would be so much more fun. I think it would be a lot cheaper. We wouldn't have to worry about hotels and that type of thing. You could make your own food. I mean, yeah, there's a cheaper way to go. You go tent camping, but yeah, I'm not really into that. My idea of roughing it is staying at a hotel that doesn't have room service. So, yeah, I might be a little bit, I'm not going to say a snob, but I'll say a snob. So yeah, just the idea of doing that. Now, I have thought about maybe when I retire from my truck driving job, that I could buy a nice trailer and a nice little dually pickup and start a business hauling motorcycles to rallies. Now granted, you got to deal with the people at the rallies, you know, when you do that, but it'd be worth it because you're making money. You can take your motorcycle with you and you can enjoy it. So yeah, you get a nice custom made trailer. It'll accommodate what, 20, 25 bikes or whatever. And all the people that don't want to ride and don't want to drive to Sturgis or Daytona or Laconia or wherever, and just want to fly out there and be able to have their own bike there, I think that would be a good money making idea. And it would give me a chance to travel the country, see some rallies, even though, like I said, I'm not real big on people. That kind of crowd really doesn't do anything for me. But yeah, I think that might be an idea. You know, and pretty much so. The trip pays for itself with all the bikes you haul out there and haul back and that kind of stuff. I think it's a good business opportunity, you know, and it wouldn't be like a full-time business. It would just be part-time, a few runs a year. So that's just my little thoughts going on in my head. Don't do it, dude. Thank you. Thank you for not pulling out in front of me and making me slam on my brakes. I appreciate you. So, yeah, that's my thoughts. So, anyway, as you can see, I need fuel. And I'll be coming up on a gas station in a second here. So, here's where I'm going to end the video. Let me know what you think about going to Sturgis. Leave it in the comment below. Alright? So until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.